Remove the dust cover and insert the eyepiece into the eyepiece tube. Remove the fixed electrode plate. Push the dovetail groove of the revolver to the innermost position and tighten the screw. Install the objective lenses in sequence, place the stage plate and install the stage clips. Loosen the fixing screws and remove the housing assembly. Open the cramp tabs, hold the bulb with clean gloves, and insert the bulb pins into the socket. Put the socket assembly back in place and tighten the fastening screws. Install the lamp housing and tighten the fastening screws. Install the green filter slide. Insert the LBD filter. Install the polarizer and the analyzer. Remove the dust cover. Install the adapter interface. Install the HD camera. Click Next to use the default settings in the first step. Click Step 3 to install the dongle driver. Click Step 4 to install the camera driver. Click System Plugins, install the common Microsoft runtime libraries, then click Finish. Turn on the microscope power switch. Switch to the 10 objective lens. Push the pull rod to the left. Place the ruler with 0.01 mm graduations on the stage. Adjust the brightness of the light. Click Options. Select the XMOS camera. Click Video. Adjust the coarse and fine focus knobs to obtain a clear image. Adjust the stage to center the ruler. Click Capture. Click Calibrate Hardware Parameters. Draw a horizontal line from left to right. The actual length is 1000 micrometers. At the current objective lens field, delete the default value and change it to 10. Finally, click Save. Finally, click Close.